Hello everyone, my name is Asira. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a tutorial on how I make these simple bikini tops and how I make these not your granny triangle bikini tops. I'm making this first top in a size large and I'll have the other sizes up on the screen. I'm going to start by chaining 28. And then the third chain from the hook, I'm going to put a double crochet. And then I'm going to double crochet all the way down for a total of 26 stitches, or your corresponding stitches. I'll have those up on the screen. From here, we're going to chain 2, turn our work. We're going to skip the very first stitch and go into the second stitch and create a double crochet. And then we'll double crochet all the way across, and so we should have one less stitch on that row. We're basically just going to keep repeating the process, making sure that you decrease whenever you start a row. So just skip the first stitch and go into the second one. Eventually, you should start making a slanted shape and it should turn into a triangle. Now, when you get to the top for this large, there should be 8 stitches. That's when we're going to stop decreasing. And then we're going to make a second row of 8 stitches. So however many stitches you stop on for your size, I'll have those up on the screen. You're going to make 2 rows of that when you get to the top. Hopefully that makes sense. Then we're just going to fasten off. Once you're done with this one, go ahead and make your second one. And then I'm going to show you guys how I weave in the, I don't know, what do you call it? The tie? For the tie, I just make a couple of chains, however long you think it needs to be. I usually do between 60 to 80, just depending on what size cup I'm making. Just take your hook and go in and out of each stitch, however high or low you want the string to be. And then you just put it on the hook and pull it through. With this next top, we're going to start off with a magic circle. I'm not good at explaining it, so just watch. Alright, so once you make your magic circle, go ahead and chain 2. And then you're going to make 2 double crochets. And then chain 2. And then make 3 double crochets. And chain 2 again, and then make 3 more double crochets, and then you're going to chain 2 and then slip stitch to connect them. Honestly, crochet is really fun and easy because, like, if you're just making it for yourself, you can pretty much just freestyle. Like, if you can make it look like a triangle, then it is a triangle. It doesn't have to be neat and perfect. Once you go ahead and slip stitch that, you can tighten your hole closed if you feel the need to. And then for the second row, we're going to start off by chaining 3. And then we're going to put 3 double crochets into the corner, and then make 2 chains, and then put 3 more double crochets into the same corner. And then we'll chain 1 to get to the next corner and repeat the process. 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochet into one corner. You'll basically keep going until you have your size. I'll put some approximate sizes that I have up on the screen. Right now I'm making a size small, I think, and it equals up like 5 granny stitches on each side. To stitch them together, we're going to start in the inner corner, and we're going to work our way up to make a strap and come down, work our way back down and make another strap, and then we're going to come over and connect the two, make a strap in the corner, come back, go up, make a strap, and then come down and connect it all in the center so that way it'll be more seamless. We're going to start in the corner in one of the 2 stitches that makes the corner. I'm just going to attach my yarn. And then I'm also going to make a single crochet into the same stitch that I connected the yarn. We're going to single crochet all the way up until we get to one of the 2 corner stitches. Once we get to the corner stitch, the first corner stitch, we're going to make a single crochet. And then from there, we're going to chain, I think I want to say I chained 70 for this size small. You can single crochet down like normal, or you can do how I am doing and go into the back loops, I want to say they're called, and make a single crochet. I just feel like it makes it a little more thick and durable. Once you get back down to the corner, into the second corner stitch, you're just going to go ahead and make a single crochet. Repeat the process for the next strap in the next corner. When it's time to connect the 2 pieces, we are going to slip stitch into the first single crochet that we made to complete the triangle to make sure there's no gaps. And then we're going to single crochet into one of the 2 corner pieces of the next bralette to connect them. Make sure to keep your tension kind of tight here to keep any gaps to a minimal. Don't be like me though and have your tension too tight the whole entire time, because y'all see me struggling trying to get my hook into some of these stitches. Once it's time to connect the bralette at the end, we're just going to slip stitch onto the other side and then fasten off. Make sure to weave in your ends. I don't know why. I just hate doing it. And I guess I like the look. But like once you're done, you're completed. You have your cute little bikini top. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.